Real spiritual knowledge is based on the discrimination of spirit from matter and is cultivated by scriptural evidence, austerity, direct perception, hearing the Puranic historical narrations, and by logical inference. The absolute truth, which alone was present before the creation of the universe, and which alone will remain after its destruction, is also the time factor and the ultimate cause. The absolute truth alone is the actual reality. Whatever apparent duality is perceived in the self is simply the confusion of the mind. Indeed, such supposed duality has no basis to rest upon, apart from one's own soul. The eternal self is neither assumed nor lost, since every living entity is an eternal reality. The living entity is pure spirit without any tinge of matter. Consequently, the false ego, which is generated by falsely identifying with matter, is a mistaken identity imposed upon the pure spirit soul. The sense of ego, or I am, the sense of one's individual identity, comes from the spirit soul, because there is no other possible basis for such self-awareness. I have to think about it. What is the origin? The feeling that I am, therefore I exist, or something. What is the basis of this thinking, of this idea? Is the body produce this idea? This comes from the soul, the Atma. The sense of I am comes from the soul. There is no other possible basis for such self-awareness. By studying one's false sense of ego, one can analytically understand that there is such a thing as pure ego, which is expressed by the words, the Vedic aphorism or Vedanta Sutra, Aham Brahmasmi, I am Brahman. I am pure spirit soul. One can easily understand in a similar way that there is a supreme spirit soul, the personality of Godhead, who is the omniscient controller of everything. Such understanding in Krishna consciousness constitutes perfect knowledge as described by Lord Krishna here to Uddhava in the Uddhava Gita. So this is something about the false ego, the tattva, and we can read. Now we want to now that's the problem. Now we want to find a solution.